Hi, my name is Feras Alswairky. I work as an interactive sales consultant at Oracle, and today I'm going to talk with you about Oracle's journey to the cloud. And in that journey, to make it easier for you, I'll tell you about the story of a successful startup in Egypt, MyEG Supermarket. So every business in the world would love really to accomplish what I call the triangle of contradicting objectives. Every business would really love to simplify their IT operations so that they can focus on their core business, but at the same time, they would really love to cope with the latest trends in technology so that they can match with their competitors. And all of that with reducing costs. What all this cloud journey is about is that Oracle can magically help you accomplish all those objectives. So let's meet Fadi. Fadi is the co-founder of the Egyptian startup MyEG Supermarket, which is simply an online grocery shopping business that provides you item prices information from over than 100 major stores in Egypt with 42,000 item prices stored and around 50,000 transactions daily. Interestingly, 81% of them coming from females. I'll tell you something about this figure in the coming slides. So Fadi and his team decided that they are going into an expansion and growth, and they really need some IT infrastructure to support that expansion. However, they don't need the burden of paying a huge capital investment for that infrastructure. So they decided to go with a cloud provider, and after comparing the vendors, they decided to go with the experience and select Oracle. They selected Oracle because they were comfortable of being with a company having 420,000 customers worldwide, which was translated into $4 billion revenue. But they were not just stopping there, they are investing annually in research and development $5 billion. Fadi and his team felt really in safe hands when they knew that Oracle's strategy is to enable them to have a successful journey to the cloud, exactly as they have done with other 25,000 customers, which was reflected into a steady revenue growth so far. So when Fadi and his team started looking at what the catalog that Oracle provides so that they can see if they need any other service from an outside vendor, they were amazed to know that Oracle provides the most complete cloud offering, acting as a one-stop shop for all the services they might need, starting from data as a service, where MyEG Supermarket did really need some data from a third party and variety of information that would help them optimize their marketing spend. And software as a service, where they get a modern business application with high technology that really helps them manage their business in a modern way. And platform as a service that really helps Fadi and his team build the online platform, the mobile applications, and any integrations they need, and above that, the security that they require. And putting all of that on top of the highest performance, lowest cost infrastructure as a service as provided by Oracle. So when it comes to deployment options, how would Fadi and his team were thinking, how would they deploy all those types of offerings? So they found that Oracle has made it very flexible to their customers by giving them the traditional on-premise option where Fadi could buy the machines and put them in MyEG Supermarket premises and manage them, or do the completely opposite thing by putting everything on the public cloud and get it managed by the public cloud vendor, or the uniquely invented offering by Oracle, which is Cloud at Customer, that I will tell you about in the coming slides. So Oracle, to make those deployment offerings or deployment options easy to adopt by Fadi and all the other customers, Oracle allowed the customer to use them on 6 journeys to the cloud, so that they can make it simple and easily to switch and shift from a journey to another. Starting with the first journey of having the on-premise, the traditional on-premise, but by helping the customer to optimize their on-premises applications and platform so that they can be in a ready mode to transition to the cloud. And the second journey is the cloud at customer, where we bring Oracle's public cloud machines and management software, putting it behind the customer's firewall. And the third option is simply moving all your workload and putting all your data and information and application and infrastructure on the public cloud. The fourth option is when it comes to creating your own applications, platforms, mobile applications, security, analytics. This is when you use Oracle's platform as a service with infrastructure as a service. And the fifth journey talks about using a modernized software as a service applications that completely built and integrated by Oracle on the cloud. And the sixth journey combines them all together and gives you the ability to be completely born on the cloud, where you start doing everything from scratch on the cloud. So Fadi and his team saw that at the time being, they would be comfortable to go with journeys 2, 4, and 5, given that they felt safe that they also could add any other journeys in future or switch flexibly to any other journey. So the first journey MyEG Supermarket picked was Cloud at Customer, which, as I said, is a unique offering invented by Oracle, where we are bringing the Oracle public cloud machines or Exadata machines or big data machines to be behind your firewall, which Fadi was comfortable to go with, actually, because they are working with some price information and data from different grocery vendors, and they were concerned with the security aspects. And they were much more happy to know that everything will be managed behind MyEG Supermarket's firewall. But not just that, it makes it completely different from the private cloud by providing you the same software to manage your infrastructure that we use on the public cloud, fully managed by Oracle, behind your firewall, and with the ability to use the subscription-based pricing with the ability to meter. And let me tell you how valuable and helpful that was for me, MyEG Supermarket. Actually, Fadi has subscribed with Oracle for twice the processing power only during the weekends and the high shopping seasons, so that they could only pay for the extra processing power only when they need it, when they have high transactions and high volume of orders and transactions. And that has helped State Bank of India really rapidly and securely deliver innovative banking applications to their clients using Oracle Cloud machines. So the second journey that MyEG Supermarket and Fadi, his team, has picked is that now we've got the machines, we've got the cloud, we've got the infrastructure at our on-premise. Let's now start building our online platform. We have a website, we have a mobile application. So this is when it comes into picture, the platform as a service with the infrastructure as a service. Fadi and his team were happy to know that Oracle provides them a very wide range of platform as a service so that it can help them build their own website, applications using whatever language they want, whether Java, Ruby on Rails, Python, and they could use any database, including the most complete database, that is Oracle database, build that and package it and put it on top of our infrastructure as a service cloud and deploy it with any of the 3 deployment options we need and anywhere on mobile, on tablet. So, as I said, actually Oracle provides you with a platform as a service portfolio that is very wide, that helped MyEG Supermarket with many things, starting from application development. They could use the tools to build their own internal management applications, data management, business intelligence. They could use it to create their own analytics and visualizations to get some insights out of their data. Integrations, actually they use the Internet of Things to monitor their fleet and their shipping and their distribution to see how things are going and get some real life insights out of those Internet of Things integrations. They got help with content to build their own website and social network. They got help with building mobile applications and with security. This is something that really has helped SEI investments really rapidly provision testing environments so that they can help them with continuous release cycles, which has helped their development operations process. The third journey and the last journey that my EG supermarket has picked is, now we've got the infrastructure, we've built our own online platform, mobile applications, analytics, Internet of Things, and security. But how about managing our business? We now need some modern software as a service applications that help us manage the business. Look at the financials, look at how customers are going, how happy they are. So when it comes to software as a service, let me tell you how it was done in the past. In the past, there were some fragmented individual applications, all on different machines and with some complex integration. So you might see some customer using Oracle Financials integrated with Microsoft CRM and HR from SAP and doing some complex integrations with them. Now, our competitors are just pushing that complex integration to the cloud, but it's still fragmented, it's still different vendors, and still have some complex integration. What Oracle is doing is that it's combining everything together in a fully integrated suite that has all the applications, all the technologies with common data model without the need for you to really intervene or customize or write any code, which was very comfortable for Fadi actually to be adopting and use. But on top of that, we're providing some high technologies embedded in those business applications to make it really a modern software as a service, like artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and chatbots. And take a look how those chatbots are being used with HCM Cloud, for example, where you could gather some information in a short message-like conversation type, which Fadi could also use in his customer experience applications to gather some insights and information, quick information. But we're not just stopping there. We are now adding science directly into your business process by using some adaptive intelligent applications. Things like providing you with some adaptive buy signals so that they can know when it's the right time to buy your supplies, or by providing you with some dynamic demand forecast that is built on the history and the current conditions, or something that helps you to have some personalized offers for your customers, or choosing the right and optimal candidates for your company. Fadi and his team were very satisfied and happy with all that. I mean, they've got now the infrastructure, the platform built, and they've got the software as a service to manage their business, but they really needed some data and information about the market, about the consumers, that is outside their database, which Oracle could provide them using data as a service. It provided Fadi with 1,500 data providers, which constitutes some 5 billion consumers and 400 million business profiles, which really helped them to know some small piece of information like the 81% female transactions I talked about at the beginning of this session, which has really helped large companies in the world rely on our data as a service to really accomplish the ultimate goal that any company would dream of, increasing the revenue. This is something that is really part of the huge software as a service portfolio that we provide to the customers, including customer experience, HCM, ERP, supply chain, and EPM, and powered by some high technologies like the Internet of Things, analytics, and social. Things that helped Orange organization to really modernize their business application, but at the same time reduce the costs by 50%, which is something any company would love to attain. So some key takeaways here. When Fadi and his team decided that they need to go for an expansion and they decided that they need some infrastructure to support that without paying high capital at the beginning, they went for Oracle, which provided them with 3 deployment options, being on-premise cloud at customer or at public cloud, and to make it easy for them, it allowed them to use it on 6 journeys to the cloud, making Oracle the most complete cloud platform, having data as a service, software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.